Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful tool that's designed to streamline your communication with clients, customers, and followers. It's called Xreacher. If you've been looking for an efficient way to direct message, stay tuned because Xreacher might be exactly what you're looking for. Now before we proceed, you want to head over in the link on the description box below and you will be redirected to the official website of Xreacher. So what exactly is Xreacher? Xreacher is a web-based platform that specializes in managing direct messages. It's perfect for businesses, influencers, or anyone looking for to reach their audience more effectively through personalized messages. Whether it's for customer support, lead generation, or just connecting with your community, Xreacher simplifies the way that you send and manage DMs. To set up their application, it's really simple. So this is their website right here. And one of the best things that I've liked is having the free plan that you can go ahead and try. You can just click on the $0 basic payment method if you want to start out not paying with service. But if you like their services, I recommend you to buy the pro right here or even the scale one if you want to scale your community. From here, you can just go ahead and click on this button to sign into Xreacher. Right after creating your account, it will go ahead and look something like this. So when you're logged in into Xreacher, you're greeted with an intuitive dashboard that allows you to handle multiple messaging accounts in one place. It supports various social media platforms, giving you full control over your inbox from a single hub. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Why should you use Xreacher? Well, here are a few reasons. You have decentralized messaging. No need to switch between different apps or accounts. Xreacher gathers all your direct messages in one place. You have the time-saving features. With bulk messaging capabilities, you can send multiple DMs at once without losing that personal touch. You have the automation. You can set up auto responses for frequently asked questions, making it easier to manage conversations while staying responsive. You also have your analytics in here. Track your DM campaigns with detailed analytics that help you understand engagement, response rate, and more. You have the seamless integrations. Xreacher integrates with popular social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or even LinkedIn, so you never miss a message. One of my favorite features of Xreacher is the auto response option. You can set preset responses for common inquiries, ensuring that your audience always gets an answer, whether you're available or not. So to add accounts in Xreacher, you can just click on the account management at the subcategories right here. And inside, you want to type in the URL or the username of the account. So to wrap it up, Xreacher is an amazing tool for anyone looking to level up their direct messaging game. If you're interested, make sure to check it out. You have the free trials right here if you're not sure whether you want to pay the subscription or not, or you can just straight up avail their subscription because it's really good to miss out on. To do that, head over to the accounts, click on subscription, and inside we have these three available plans right here. For the Pro one, you can send up to 450 DMs per day, connect one account, and the unlimited scraping. For the Scale one, you can send up to 900 DMs a day, connect up to two accounts, access to OpenSea database, unlimited scraping, and premium support. So you can just head over to the link that I've left in the description box below so you can sign up for free in Xreacher today. With all of the benefits that we have talked about today, I'm sure that you want to avail one of the subscriptions right here. Once again, you want to head over to the link on the description box below and it will redirect you to the official website of Xreacher. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech, tips, and tools. See you on the next one. Thank you.